Welcome to this meditation session of Enlighten every moment. Today, we will focus on strengthening our energy shield with divine white light. Please sit comfortably with your eyes closed. Sit in a meditational pose, cross-legged, or you may sit on a chair. Sit comfortably straight. Interlock your fingers and keep them on your legs. Visualize that the sky is full of divine white light. Since energy follows intention, we request this divine white light to descend down into us as a beam of light through our head and fill our whole body. Request the divine white light to descend into us and fill us completely. Light fills our head, our heart, our hands and legs. Every cell in our body is filling with divine white light. Feel it. You don't have to see it. Feel the peace, the stillness, and the power of the divine in every cell of your body. As light descends into us through our head and fills us completely, we glow with brightness, brighter and brighter. The light descends into us, fills us completely, and we glow brighter and brighter. Every cell in our body is glowing with divine white light. Every organ, every muscle, every tissue in our body glows with divine white light. Light soothes and heals every muscle, every tissue, every cell in your body. Feel the peace and stillness in every cell of your body. Light continues to descend into you and fills you as you grow brighter and brighter with light. Relax in the warmth and stillness of light. Light is the very formless energy of God. Pass on all your stresses and worries to the light. Relax. Feel the peace in every cell of your body. Now we request this divine light to emanate out of us and form a globe of light about 7 feet in diameter, with you at the center. Request the light to descend down into you, fill you up, and spread out to this globe of light around you. Energy follows intention. Request the light to spread out and fill this globe of light around you, your very own shield of light. The light fills your shield. It glows brighter and brighter and brighter. Light fills this globe of light around you. It gets brighter and brighter and brighter. This shield of light protects you from bad vibrations, from others' jealousies and anger. This shield of light protects you. This energy of light around you is a formless God. You may talk to your shield and the light within. Light can guide you. Talk to the light and listen to the advice. Receive intuitive messages from light. The shield around you grows brighter and brighter and brighter. This shield will protect you from bad vibrations around you. Be aware of the shield of light around you growing brighter. Light continues to fill this shield of light around you. You are now sitting comfortably in this beautiful, vibrant shield of divine white light. Breathe in this light and breathe out. Breathe in this light and breathe out. Breathe in this light and breathe out. Always keep your exhalations longer than your inhalations. May the light continue to descend down into you, fill you up, and spread out to the shield of light around you, which grows brighter and brighter and brighter. This shield goes with you wherever you go and protects you day and night. As long as you strengthen this shield, it will stay strong. Make it a daily practice of strengthening this shield. Energy follows intention. So request the light to strengthen your shield. Light descends down into you. Light descends down into you, fills you up completely, and spreads out and strengthens this beautiful shield around you. Now, we request this divine white light to spread out through us and fill our entire home. Request the light to descend down into you, fill you up, and spread out to your entire home. Every room in your home is filled with divine white light. Request the light to spread into everything that is in your home and positivize the vibrations there. Request the light to spread out and fill your family members. Request the light to spread out and fill your neighbors, your friends, your foes, your colleagues and classmates and your teachers. Request the light to descend down into you, fill you up completely, and spread out to your city, to your state, and to the whole world. Request the light to descend down into you, fill you up completely, and spread out to your city, to your state, to your country. Feel the vibrations of peace spreading out of you and filling the whole world. You may continue to be in this state for as long as you're comfortable. As the session of Enlighten every moment ends, I wish you all a great day tomorrow. Good night.